Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. We are from group 12. I am Yuliana Novianti and my partner Muhammad Ridho Aditya Putra. We will present about degree of comparison. We hope that you can pay attention and listen to the material that we will convey. Let's get started. Degree of comparison. What is degree of comparison? Degree of comparison is used as a comparison word between objects. It can be an or adjective or adverb. The easiest way to find out the form of sentences that use degree of comparison is with keywords more, less, the most, and others. Of course, we must know in advance what sentences is suitable to use the phrase in the form of degree of comparison. Degree of comparison function. Comparison degree is used when you want to compare one thing with another. Types and example of degree of comparison. There are three types of degree of comparison that we can use to express comparison in English, including positive degree, comparative degree, and superlative degree. Positive degree is a simple form of degree of comparison because there is no comparison in it. This positive degree simply states a thing in equal comparison. So, we can use the phrase as blah blah blah, as and blah blah blah, the same blah blah blah, exactly, which means that the comparison is equivalent comparison. The picture, an apple, positive is big. Formula, subject 1 plus to be or verb plus adjective or adverb plus s plus subject 2. Example, I want to look as beautiful as my mother. You should practice karate as often as you can. Mary is the same age as Hassan because both of them are 20. Like and noun. Used to express equivalence between two or more objects that have the meaning like. Example, your face is like your brother's face. Your car looks like my car. Subject plus predicate plus alike. Used to express equality between two or more objects that have the meaning of same. Example, smart people think alike. We are alike. Comparative degree. Comparative degree is used to compare two things in one sentences. Generally, when using comparative degrees, it is necessary to add the suffix er or ier. For example, in the word angry, you can change it to angrier. Comparative degree as an adverb can also be added the word more before the adjective, such as more angrily, more happily, and so on. At the picture, the apple is positive big and comparative is bigger. Comparative degree sentences are usually clarified by the presence of blah blah blah, than blah blah blah, and blah blah blah, more blah 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 than blah blah blah. Adjective ending in consonants, if the word does not end in e, then it shall be added er at the end. Example: cheap, cheaper, long, longer, old, older, tall, taller. Adjective ending in vowels, if the word ends in e, the simple add r at the end. Example: large, larger, wide, wider, brave, braver. Adjective ending in one consonant, if one consonant ends with a vowel, the consonant is doubled and er is added at the end. Example: big, bigger, fat, fatter, hot, hotter. Note: the use of adjective that are more than 2 syllables will be added more blah blah blah. More handsome, more successful, more beautiful. If it consists of 1 syllable, it is only given the addition of er blah blah blah, faster, slower, longer, and more. Formula: subject 1 plus to be or verb plus s adjective plus er plus then plus subject 2. Example: learning English is easier than math. Formula: subject 1 plus to be or verb plus more adjective plus then plus subject 2. Example: Anita is more beautiful than she. Superlative degree are used to compare 3 or more things in one sentence. In the superlative degree, the phrase is used most, or changing the suffix from adjective to est, such as happy to happiest. At the picture, on the positive, apple, big, comparative, bigger, superlative, biggest. Example: small, smallest, rich, richest, great, greatest. If it ends in e, then it is enough to add st at the end of the word. Example: large, largest, brave, bravest, late, latest. If the ends in one consonant, that letter preceded by a vowel, then the consonant is double. Then the suffix est is added. Example: fat, fattest, hot, hottest, thin, thinnest. If it ends in e, they simply add st at the end of the word. Example: humble, humblest, noble, noblest, simple, simplest. If it ends in y preceded by a consonant, then it is enough to change y to I. Then add est at the end of the word. Example: dirty, dirtiest, y replaced by I. Happy, happiest, lucky, luckiest. Formula: subject plus to be or verb plus the plus adjective plus est plus complement. Use it on adjectives that have only one syllable. Example, Sandy is the smartest student in my school. Subject plus to be or verb plus the plus most plus adjective plus complement. This formula is used on adjectives that have only more than one syllable. Example, among the 3 basketball players, Benny is the most handsome man. Note, complement is not mandatory.
Positive degree. The level of the thing talked about. Be at the same or comparable level. Comparative degree. The level of the thing talked about. One has more properties than the other. Superlative degree. Has the most nature among others. Adjective or adverb form use. Positive degree fixed or unchanged. Comparative degree change shapes by adding the affix "er" behind it or more in front of it. Superlative degree change shapes by adding the affix "is" behind it or the most in the front of. Ben is hungry. Positive degree. Ben is hungrier. That's me. Comparative degree. Ben is the hungriest of all. Superlative degree. Adjective. Positive degree, comparative degree, superlative degree. Hard, harder, hardest. Cute, cuter, cuties. Happy, happier, happiest. Fat, fatter, fattest. Small, smaller, smallest. Tall, taller, tallest. Short, shorter, shortest. Long, longer, longest. Wide, wider, widest. High, higher, highest. Adjective. Positive degree, comparative degree, superlative degree. Big, bigger, biggest. Cheap, cheaper, cheapest. Old, older, oldest. Funny, funnier, funniest. Pretty, prettier, prettiest. Famous, more famous, most famous. Beautiful, more beautiful, most beautiful. Irregular forms. Good, better, the best. Bad, worse, the worst. For, further or further. The farthest or farthest. In picture, happy, happier, the happiest. Got, better, the best. Useful, more useful, the most useful. Young, younger, the youngest. Sweet, sweeter, the sweetest. Hot, hotter, the hottest. Comparison asing one of. Comparison asing one of. English language use the word of one of to describe the phrase. One of typically function to indicate that something belongs to a particular group or category, but it is not the only thing in the group. It implies that there are multiple items in the group, and the thing being referred to is just a part or of the large. Example: E. Kyung is one of the cutest babies I know. B. Angel Fall is one of the most beautiful waterfall in the world. C. Jackson is one of the best students in school. One of plus superlative plus plural noun. Comparison using some as. The phrase some as is used to indicate that two or more things are indicated or equivalent in some aspect. Example, Harno and Harna are the same. Harno is the same as Harna. Comparison using similar to. The phrase similar to is used to denote a resemblance or likeness between two or more things in some aspect but not necessarily identical. Example, Fan and Fin are similar. Fan is similar to Fin. Comparison using from. The word from serves various functions in English. Example, Elias and Hannah are different. Elias is different from Hannah. Comparison asing but. English laws use the word but the comparing or contrasting featuring of the same things. Different use of but a comparison. Used to introduce an add statement. Used to underline the statement before. Used to close an add statement. Example, negative verb plus but plus affirmative verb. We don't like tea, but they do. Alexia did not love, but Ramona did. Janet won't play, but Zoo will. But this is the opposite of that. But Janet is sad, but Kendall is happy. He likes classical music, but she likes jazz. This the presentation or groups. Thank you for attention. Hopefully what we convey can be understood by friends. Let's and more we apologize. Thank you very much. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.